good morning. How are you all? Hope everybody are doing well and the weather is not good. Children, please take care of yourself, okay? So, today we are going to learn our amazing body. Our body is very amazing. Can you guess what are the things, what are the objects we have in our body? What are the organs we have in our body which are amazing? Yes, children, can you guess? Yes, so we have the amazing things in our body are sense organs. So we have sense organs. How many sense organs do we have, children? Can you guess? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. How many? 5. How many? 5 sense organs. Our eyes, nose, ears, tongue and our skin. So these are our 5 sense organs which are very amazing. So these senses help us to do everything in our body. These sensors will give our remind into our brain. It gives all the senses, right children? So whenever if we wanted to see, what does our help us? Our eyes help us. Our eyes help us to see everything around. So you can see everything, whatever is visual to us, it is only with the help of the eyes, it is able to see. We are able to see only with the help of the eyes. If we close the eyes, there is nothing. I can't see anything. Look here, I can't see anything. If I close my eyes, I can't see anything. But when I open and look around, I can see many different colors, flowers, plants, trees, your teachers, your children. Everything it is only visible with our eyes. It's only possible. Our eyes help us to see. And the next sense is our nose. Can you guess what does our nose do? If you close the nose, is it possible if we close the nose? No, it's not possible. We can't live. We can't live without taking air inside our body. We can't live without taking air. So, if you want to take the air, our nostrils, our nose help us to take in and take out. Our nose help us to breathe. Our nose help us to breathe. Can you breathe with your nose? Can you breathe? Yes, I can breathe with my nose. I can smell everything. I can smell, wow, somebody is making yummy food. Yes? Or can you smell outside when it rains? Can you smell? Yes, it gives a beautiful smell when it rains. But after rains and after nearby something, if we go to a garbage, how does it smell? Very yucky. Very yucky smell. Our nose shows us good smells and bad smells. But bad smells are not good to our nose. So our nose helps us to smell. Yes, our nose helps us to smell. Yes. So, what is the second sense organ? It is our nose. So, the amazing third sense organ is ears. Ears. It is so amazing that we can hear everything. We can hear everything. Whatever your teachers tell, whatever your mama speak, whatever your dada scolds, everything we can hear with our ears. If somebody is screaming, how do we feel? Oh, it's so loud and we have to close our ears. When it is very bad sound, we have to close our eyes because bad sounds will affect our ears. So, no bad sounds, no screaming, no shouting, children. Okay? If it will affect to some other also. If somebody is shouting, ask them to stop and you have to ask them to speak slowly. So, these are our amazing ears. These ears will help us to hear good sounds. We have music, we love. Yes, children, we love dancing and music, right? Yes. So, these sounds all can be heard from our ears. Our ears help us to hear. Yes? And what is this? It's a tongue. What is this? It's a tongue. So, it's a tongue. What does our tongue help us? What does it help? It helps us to taste the food. It helps us to taste. If the food is spicy, the food is bitter, if something is sour, if something is yummy and sweet. So all these flavors, who help us to taste? Yes, our tongue helps us to taste the food. Who help us to taste the food? Our tongue helps us to taste the food. So this is one of the amazing part in our body, right children? And what is this? It's our skin. What is this? This is our skin. So our skin feels. When we touch something, our skin helps us to feel. Can you feel? If I am touching a board, the board is very soft. So my skin is helping me to sense how is the board. Yes children. Can you touch my scarf? It is little bit rough. It is little rough. So my skin help me to sense the objects which are rough, smooth, hard. Yes children, look here, my chalk piece. Can you touch and see? Can you touch? Yes, it's so soft. How is the chalk piece? It's so soft. So our skin helps us to touch and feel.